What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. As we left you hanging last time, we were about to put the motor in, kinda, but went ahead and put the water pump on this morning. I sprayed degreaser on the Camaro, on the engine bay, rolled it outside, and as usual, it stopped raining when you want it to rain, like usual. We got quite a bit of stuff we still got to do. We're going to take all the clutch and pressure plate and bell housing and stuff off of the old motor still. And I got a bunch of cleanup of parts I'm going to reuse to do also. But we're going to start knocking this stuff out, and hopefully by this afternoon the motor will at least be in the car. Probably not going to be able to start it. But anyway, we're going to continue on. We got a lot to do today and not a lot of time. So let's get after it. But it shouldn't fall off.
Well, it's going to fall off, yeah, probably. Take it loose, loosen up your bolt, and take it off with your finger. Break it loose. Get the pry bar. Well, you're talking, it's moving around.
Nice to have a lightweight flywheel.
Well, you won't.
Alright guys, we had to run over to town. We picked up our new valve covers for the motor. The 305 is now over here on the floor. We're getting ready to pick the motor up because we got to put the bell housing, pressure plate, clutch, that sort of stuff on the new motor. After further examination, this water pump that I put new seals in and whatnot, it's not going to work because it is about an 1/8 inch further out than the water pump that is on this one. So it's not going to work with the pulleys. So now we're going to have to take that water pump off and put this water pump on. Like, really? Y'all couldn't have made it 1/8 inch shorter? But anyway, let's go ahead and we're going to pick this thing up and sit on the floor, get that stuff bolted up, and then we're going to swap out the water pump, and we should be pretty much ready to go put this bad boy in the car. Then we'll be one step closer to starting this thing. I'm very excited, so let's get after it. So my hoarding skills finally came in clutch. No pun intended. So these are the splines that come out of the front of the transmission when I had the transmission rebuilt a couple years ago. So I've been hoarding some parts from that. I built this really cool lamp in my defense. You can see that right now. This is the input shaft into the motor, and it's for this clutch. So now we have a clutch alignment tool because I couldn't find my other one. So we're going to use this. What is up, guys? We're back. Yesterday we didn't get to work on this thing at all. I had to go help a friend, but we're back today. And today we have caused as much trouble as we've had the whole entire time. I created 9 million problems this morning. I fixed them. I had to take the clutch, pressure plate, bell housing, the oil pan, the timing chain cover back off, the harmonic balancer, all kinds of stuff, but it doesn't matter. We got it back together. Right now we're going to pull the Camaro up the driveway a little ways so we can pressure wash this thing. Rain did an awful job washing it the other day, so actually we're going to wash it ourselves right now.